Jeepney drivers put their routes on hold as they call for action over the continuing surge in fuel prices. Micah, ano nangyari sa transport strike?
The transport group Manibela has staged a transport strike in response to the rising fuel prices. During their protest program at Pilcoa, the group called to abolish the oil deregulation law and also sent a message to the president, urging him to come up with solutions to the continued increase in petroleum prices. Mar Balbuena, chairman of Manibela, admitted that the financial assistance provided by the government has been a great help, but despite this, he asked how long the government will continue providing aid, saying that what PUB drivers need are concrete and long-term solutions to their struggles. The protest was also attended by LTFRB Chairman Vigor Mendoza, where the group personally handed their petition seeking to lift the suspension of the proposed fare hike that was put on hold by PBBM last March. Balbuena said the proposed fare increase will not make them rich, but will only help them survive as the inflation rate continues to rise. He also said jeepney drivers lost around 800 pesos in earnings yesterday when the latest fuel price hike took effect. Back to you, Mai.
Micah, nagkomento ba si LTFRB Chair Vigor Mendoza sa proposal nga ng Manibela ng taas pasahe?
Yes, Mai, nagpuntang araw itong si LTFRB Chairman Vigor Mendoza sa protesta para makausap ang grupo na sa hinaing solusyon niya ay ang oil discount kesa nga raw roon sa pinopropose ng Manibela na dagdag piso sa pasahe. Dahil anya sa discount ay hindi na maaabala ang mga commuters. Ang oil discount na daw na yan ay kasalukuyan na umiira. Kaya ang sabi niya, mas magandang ipagpatuloy na lang yun. Ang sabi naman dyan ni Manibela Chairman, mas maganda kung dalawa ang maipapatupad. Isang taas pasahe at isang oil discount. Dahil kulang na kulang daw talaga ang kinikita ng mga jeepney drivers. Sabi naman nila, may wage increase na kaya di na masyadong kawalan ang piso para sa mga commuters. Mai?
Thank you, Micah Razon reporting.